Dang it! That was not cute. I just exposed myself for wearing sweatpants. Gosh dang. At least I look cute on the top. Hey, I wanted to put a necklace on. That's a lot better. Hey guys, it's Melanie. What's up? Okay, so today I am doing a Zaful haul. Don't at me. This stuff was sent to me from Zaful, but I'm actually super happy with everything that I got. Except for one thing, but that was my fault, so yeah. You'll see if you keep watching. So let's get straight into it. So the first thing, I'll start off with the one thing I don't like. This. But there's nothing wrong with it. It's a phone case. I just ordered it for the wrong phone because I'm stupid. Yeah, so we'll just not even talk about that. We start off with accessories or clothing. Let's do clothing first. I just feel like that's right, you know. So the first thing I got is this. Oh my gosh. Why'd I wear an off-the-shoulder top? I can't even raise my arms. Okay. We'll see how this works out. I got this. You know what? You'll see it in the try-on, okay? Basically, I got this. It's a USA crew neck. It looks exactly like the Brandy Melville one, but it's not from Brandy Melville. It's from Zaful, so just pranked you, basically. But yeah, really like this. It's oversized, fits well, really cute. I was honestly really surprised. I kind of expected it to look like really bad, but when it came in looking like this, I was like, ooh, yay. So yeah, got this. Really happy about it. Totally recommend this. 10 out of 10. I also got this top that I'm wearing. If you can see it, it's really short and super revealing of the shoulders. So don't wear this to school unless you want to get expelled. I got this top. This is really unique. It's also very revealing. I don't know what I was thinking when I bought it because I have no clue where I'm going to wear this, but it's so cute. This is what it looks like. You can see on the try on. It's literally a bra with long sleeves because it's so tiny, but it's so dang cute. Just, I have no clue where to wear this because I'm not trying to, but it has like lantern sleeves, if that's what they're called. Next thing I got is a scarf because I'm always cold. And you know, maybe I can wear it with this outfit so that I'm not revealing my shoulders to the internet. It's like a blanket scarf, man. I'm so excited for this because I'm always cold. So I can wear it like this with my outfit right now. I love blanket scarves because they're a blanket and they're a scarf. Genius, who thought of that? And the rest of the clothes is pretty much summery stuff because I'm kind of dumb. It's literally 10 degrees out. Oh, except for this item. I got a striped turtleneck because I love stripes and I love turtlenecks. Probably gonna wear this with some like mom jeans. It's gonna look real good. This is all summer stuff because I'm dumb. So I got this little thing. This is tiny the heck. This is a tube top, but it's so tiny. I think this is also like a Brandy dupe kind of, but it's just a black tube top with some red stripes on the side, so it gives it a nice like athletic, athleisure look. I got 3 more tube tops because why not? This is the one in yellow. I'm holding it upside down. This is what it looks like. It has like ruffles, if that's, yeah, little like cinched ruffles at the top, which I think looks really nice. They're all ribbed, and they have like an elastic band to keep them up, which is pretty smart because if you're wearing a tube top, you don't want that to slide down. That would be kind of rough, you know? So I got that in black and white, as well as the yellowy mustard shade. Really dig those. And then the last clothing piece I got is just this bodysuit. The bodysuit itself feels like really good quality, and I'm really excited. This is the first bodysuit I own. The only thing is the straps look kind of cheap. They're not like cheap, they're just like, I don't know if you can tell, they're like legit elastic, and I kind of thought they would be fabric, but you can't really tell when you're wearing it, and I don't know. Now on to the accessories. I was actually more excited for the accessories. I don't know why, but I just really wanted to try some stuff out. So I'll start off with these. I got these sunglasses. I'll try them on for y'all. Yeah, that's that. I also got some eyelashes. I got like 10 pairs, don't know why. Let's start off with these ones. I don't really know if I'm gonna keep these. These look kind of cheap. It's really blurry, you can't even see them. It's okay, don't look at them, they're not that good. But the rest of them, these ones are all really great. This package, oh my gosh, I don't know if I bought 3 separate ones or if I just got like one and it came like, it had a pack of 3 or something. I have no clue. But this is what they look like. I wore these out yesterday and they look so good. But there's 3 different styles. Pretty natural. These are the natural ones. I wore these yesterday. Thought they looked pretty cool. Then they also have like dramatic glam ones like this that are really full. And yeah, volume ones. Pretty cool stuff. I also got this pack. I haven't tried these on yet. It has a pack of 5. And this is what they look like. Honestly, they look pretty good. So I'm kind of excited to try these. And I also got some makeup brushes and some jewelry. That's pretty much the rest of the haul. So I'll show you the jewelry first. But this one's like a chain. See, this is why I don't take stuff out. It's all tangled already. I haven't even done anything. It's a chain. That's it. Maybe I'll try them on for you guys. No, oh, guys, I'm so lazy. Okay, I'll just show you what it looks like. This one's a chain. Can you see it? Cute. Dig it. Then I also got these earrings. They're like a dupe of these brandy ones. And I'm stupid. And I literally bought the brandy ones after I got these because I forgot. But yeah, they have little crossies and they're hoops. They're really, really cute. Then I got these fat star hoops. No clue how I'm going to style these. But you know, we'll figure it out. I also got this star choker necklace. Yeah, I just really been into stars. This is what this one looks like. This looks really tiny. I do not even know if this is going to fit around my neck. But I think it's really adorable. I also got, these are like little cross earrings. I don't know if you can see this. You want a focus camera maybe? They're like little jeweled crosses. Oh my gosh, ew. And then this is the last one. This one looks kind of cheap, to be honest with you. Not sure about this one. I don't even know what it's supposed to look like, but it's just like a gold chain and then it has like 2 little medallion thingies. Not really sure about this one. Might not be keeping this. I don't even know how I would style this, so yeah. Oh wait, I also got this gold little like coin necklace. I'll take it out just for you guys. Really cute. Ooh, this is really cute. I like this a lot. I can't wait to wear this. And the last 2 things I got is makeup stuff. This is a set of makeup brushes. They're like wood, and then they have rose gold detailing. This one looks pretty good. It looks like some of the brushes I might not use. I don't know. They're kind of weird. They look fine. Like, I'll use them. I use anything. I don't know. They're not any like Morphe Sigma brushes, but they do, and they're really affordable. I'd say they're like equal to drugstore brushes. Really like these, but this one, I recommend this one so much. I haven't used it yet, but I just took it out of the package and I was like, oh, wow. This is like such a good deal. I feel like it comes in a really nice pouch. Like, I might be using this as a pencil pouch or something, or a brush pouch, I don't know, because the pouch itself is really nice. It's like faux leather, maybe it's real, I don't know. And it has an additional pocket inside. Steel. These are the brushes. They look so high-end. They literally look like the Morphe Sigma whatevers, I don't know. And they're all like really nice brushes that I think I will be using. I'm so excited for this. It comes with a good variety. Most of them are round like fluffy brushes. And I like the color combo. Really good stuff. So this one is a steal. Totally recommend this one. The other one's alrighty, but this one comes first because this is such a good deal. So yeah, as you guys can see by this haul, I was very, very happy with everything that I got, except for the stupid phone case that I bought. Dumb me. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. And yeah, if you did, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, follow me on my social medias, and I'll see you next time. Bye!